So this is the stock exhaust. You can see how longer it is, bigger. And today we are going to install this guy. Still a little fat, but it's definitely shorter, which I kind of want. So it'll be something like that. Pretty cool. So let's check it out. Alright, that's one. It's gonna take a while. Oh, got it. Okay. Alright, I got it on. I'm gonna screw it on and put the other one on. This is just the boring part of probably just like putting it all together. So I'm gonna skip through this and come back when it's installed. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, way better. Now let's see how she sounds. That is loud as fuck. Oh my god, that's so loud. The neighbors are gonna hate me. Alright, let's go outside. Alright, so that's it. That's the install. It is super loud. Install took like maybe 30-40 minutes. I think I haven't even checked, but that's what it felt like. And it sounds great. So can't wait to take this out on the road. Hell yeah. Peace.